So what's down? You know it's a vibe. Go down and subscribe. It's your girl Tarek Dominique, and your girl stay on what? Belique, and it's on period. I am back with another video. Today I'm going to transform my sister, my younger sister, into a model. Okay, I'm gonna be doing her hair and her makeup this morning. It is currently 8:57. So let's get started. I'm going to take this new stocking cap and put it on her head. I'm using the Got2b spray, and I'm going to spray it around her edges. Then I'm going to blow dry it until it's dry, and I'm going to poke a hole where her ear is. I'm going to be using the ball cap method to achieve this look. I'm going to spray the Got2b spray where her ear tabs will be and dry that, blow dry that. Then I'm going to cut around the stocking cap to remove all the excess that I don't need. I'm using this Ruby Kisses concealer just to blend in with her skin color. And I'm going to spray the wig just to get all the flyaways out of the way. Now I'm going to use this alcohol to clean her edges. And now I'm going with 2 layers of Got2b glue and the spray. And I'm going to blow dry it until it's tacky. And now I'm going to get her to help me hold down her ear tabs. And if you haven't seen my latest application on how I apply my own wigs, then make sure you check that video out. I'm going to cut off the excess lace, and I'm using the Got2b spray just to melt the lace, and I'm using the rat tail comb to press it in and blow dry it until it's dry. Now I'm going to be cutting around her ear to remove the excess lace, and I use my spray bottle just full of water to spray the hair, and I tie down the lace. Now I'm going to remove the scarf, and this is what the lace looks like before I touch it up. And I'm giving her a little swoop down there, and now I'm going to apply makeup or press powder to her lace just to camouflage the lace more. And this is what it looks like. I think it turned out pretty nice. I'm not a professional, so yeah. And now I'm going to get started with her makeup. I'm starting off with her eyebrows, and I'm priming her face. And I'm going for a simple eyeshadow look. And I'm priming her eyelids with concealer. And this is how her eyeshadow look came out. Just something simple and easy. Now I'm putting on her foundation using Real Techniques brush. And this is actually NYX foundation. And concealer, the LA Pro concealer. And I already applied her lashes. And now I'm setting her face with the banana powder. And I'm contouring her cheekbones with the Black Radiance contour stick. And now I'm setting her face. And putting on a little highlight, and boom. This is how it turned out. Let me know in the comment section how I did. I feel like I did pretty good overall. And yes, get into these waves. Oh my God, the pictures came out so cute. Shout out to OMT Photography. Thanks for watching. Bye.